the before. I know it's kind of crazy. Let's just like that. I don't even know. Then the after. Nice, calm, organized, beautiful, right? Let's just jump right into this, guys. So you take your top, you fold the sleeves in, we're creating a rectangle. So you want it to be nice and straight and tidy. Then bring the top to the bottom, folding it once. Now here you're gonna fold 3 times. First from the top to the middle, right here like that, and then a third time, boom, and there you go. It's folded tightly, and you know it's right if it stands up. Now let's go to a tank top. This might look difficult, but it's the same technique. With the tank top, we're going to fold the sleeve area in to the middle. Do the same to the other side. Now make sure to stretch it so it's nice and flat. And now you're gonna bring, see right here, nice, oof, gorgeous curls. Now you're gonna bring the top up. You're gonna bring the top to the bottom, creating a nice rectangular shape. Fold 3 times. And done. Alright guys, now let's move on to a sports bra. I haven't seen this with this technique, and when it worked for me, I got so excited. And again, I'm repeating the same technique. It fits using a sporting bra because it stands up and it folds nicely. Here, instead of folding 3 times, I just folded twice. See the difference? And it still stands up beautifully. This is such an amazing method. Like, if you haven't used the Konmari Folding Method, it's beautiful and amazing, and you have gorgeous results. This is a huge transformation. If you have the same problem, try it out and you're gonna have an amazing cabinet. Follow my fashion journey, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave comments right below, and I will see you next time, my beautiful human stars.